Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to go way back to 1964 with a big hit, an absolute million seller for Billy J Kramer and the Dakotas, and I do hope you enjoy it. This one's called Little Children. If you do like this video today, can you please do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. Right, so if you're ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. Let me show you how that's done. Okay, first things first, 3 chords we need. We need the bar chord of F, we need the bar chord of B flat, we need the chord of E flat. Right, so the bar chord of F, I'll bring it up to the screen so you can see it. There we go. And then we're going to do, so that's barring the 1st fret, and then we're going to be on the 2nd fret of the G, and then we're going to be on the 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D string. That's an F chord. Then what we're going to do, we're going to drop down with our 3rd finger and play the 4, 3, 2. 1 sort of happens by default, but don't play the 1st string. That's going to give us our B flat. You can do it with a little finger as well and put the 3rd finger on top, completely up to you. There's a B flat. And then the E flat we're going to play is like playing a D chord, but we're going to slide it up 1 and we're going to put our little finger on the 5th fret of the D string. We're only going to play 4 strings. We're not going to play the top 2 strings here. Okay, so that's the E flat. Right, so let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to hold the F chord, and we're going to play the strings, the D string and the G string in this pattern. We're going to go D, G, G, D, G, D, G, G, D. It's not easy to say. D, G, G, D, G, D, G, G, D, G. Got it? And then we're going to go quick. D, G, D, G, B flat, F, E flat. Okay? One more time. Bar chord of F, D, G, G, D, G, D, G, D, G, B flat, F, E flat. Alright, now we've got this other bit, which is based around a C chord. We've got a C chord, and we're going to play the 3rd fret of the A string. We're going to play the D string open, and then we're going to come 3, 2, 1 off, open on the A string. So we've got 3rd fret A, D open, back to the 3rd fret A, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open. And then we start over. That is the intro. Now, strum pattern. It's a little bit unusual, to say the least. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's got a bit of a syncopation going on. Down, 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 and then up, down, up. One more time for you. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the strum pattern. Chords we're going to need are as follows. F, little children, F, B flat, F, E flat. Then to C, then if you want to, optional, you can do that riff again, and then start again. F, let's just go for the chords. F, 2, 3, 4, and then B flat, F, E flat, and then we just go back to an F. Right, so the first line we finish with a C, the second line we finish with an F. Let me take you through that. So the start of the verse goes F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, B flat, F, E flat, 2, 3, this is the second time. F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, B flat, F, E flat, but then it goes back to an F instead of a C. F, 2, 3, 4, that's the uplift. That brings you up to the next bit, which goes, I'll give you candy and a quarter. So let's just do that with the strum pattern, the actual strum pattern. So we've got F, and then B flat, F, B flat, C, F, and then back to the F. And a few good, and then we're going to go right the way up. The next bit is all bar chords. So it's the same shape bar chord you was doing for the F, only the positions are going to be as follows. We're going to be number 6 for a B flat, and then up to number 8 for fret number 8 for a C. Then we're going to go down to 4 for an A flat, and then 6, 4, and then down to a G, which is fret number 3. Let me show you how that works. So we got, I'm just going to do downstrokes to take this slowly with you. So we got, I'll give you candy, we got B flat there and a quarter. Then we're going to go up to 8th. If you're quiet, then down to number 4. Like you, 6, 4, 3. And keep the secret with. Then we're going to go to a C. Me. Right, full speed now. B flat, 2, 3, 4. And if you can. 8. So we've got 4, 6, 4, 3. And keep the secret with to the C. I wish they would go away. This is the second verse, right? Second verse, same as the first verse. Slight different things going on at the end. So F, and then B flat, F, B flat, C, F, and then B flat, F, B flat, back to the F, up to 6. La la la, 8, 4, 6, 4, 3. Then we're going to go to C, like little sugars and spice. And then we go into the bridge. So we've gone C into a F, little sugars and spice. Right, it comes up now. It goes. Literally just goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all downstrokes for that. You stole me kissing your sister. So we're going from 4 to 6, 4 and 6, 4 to 6. 6 up to 8, 6 up to 8, and then we go back to F, number 1. So chords, we had A flat up to B flat, and then A flat up to B flat, then B flat up to C, then B flat up to C. Okay, I wish they would take which is nap, which is number 1 again. So we go through the verse. You know the verse is we've been for a couple of times, but then the last bit is we're little children like F around. I don't know what can I do around little children. Okay, so we've got, it's F, B flat, C, F, B flat, little little children like you. And then we've got E flat, go up one, and then up to the F, literally just going up in semitones. That's how it ends. So one more time, the ending. We're little children like F to B flat, to C 3 4, F to B flat, then C 2 3 4, F to little children like you. And there we have it, Little Children by Billy J Kramer and the Dakotas. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.